Here I've got OnePlus 10 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. So at first, reach Settings, then find and select Passwords and Security. Go to Fingerprint. Firstly, enter your lock screen pattern, password, whatever you have. If you don't have one yet, you will have to provide a new one. That would be just the backup to your fingerprint. Click on OK, and now just place your fingerprint on the sensor. So just keep tapping until it's fully added. And that's it, just click on done. And now you need to select what would you like to use your fingerprint to. So let me pick screen unlock, and from now on you can unlock your device either with this backup pattern or smoothly with your fingerprint. Let me just put it correctly. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.